Today I'm working on a 2019 Nissan Rogue, and what I'm doing today, I am replacing the mass airflow sensor, and it's located right here. And all you're gonna need is a Phillips screwdriver. So let's replace this. The first thing we're gonna do is remove the wire harness, and all we have to do is press here. I already did it. So all you have to do is just press it here and it comes up. And now you're exposed to the mass flow air sensor right here. You have two screws, one in the back, one in the front. As you see, this one is stripped. And all you do is just use a Phillips screwdriver. I loosen them up, and then all you have to do is pick up the sensor. Take a new one. Take your wire harness. Now we take our wire harness, and all we have to do is just put it in, bring it down, and you have replaced your mass airflow sensor on your Nissan Rogue. Later.